and welcome. In my last video you saw I combed out my locks and I done micro twists, mini twists, and now I wanted them even smaller. Extra small micro mini twists, or can we call them sister twists? I don't know, they are extra small. Essentially, I split each mini twist in half and made two out of one, creating extra small twists. After unlocking my hair and cutting a heavy amount of my ends, my hair still felt thin and choppy. However, twists make my hair feel healthier, stronger, and it retains moisture longer. Also, it gives my hair body bounce and flow. My new growth is insane to me. It has been 5 days since I did the twist to begin with, and I feel like I have to retighten due to my fingers snagging in my new growth. This footage is obviously sped up, but I am finger detangling with much care, very gently detangling knots and pulling out shed hair before I twist. I am using shea butter to detangle and to twist, also locking that twist in with shine and jam edges. This retightening process, if you will, ended up taking me 3 to 4 days, and I started to wonder, why am I doing this? But I do enjoy wearing this style. I do believe it is worth it because I can rock it without having to worry about it for at least 2 to 3 weeks if I wanted to. To begin with, the back sections are bigger just because when you get to the back, you were just trying to finish, and it started out bigger, so the halves are also bigger. Some of the halves are getting split into 3 because they're so large. I absolutely love it. This style makes my hair feel so thick and fluffy, bouncy, and flowy. I love it. It feels like it's growing out of my head like this. It allows my strands to bond together and stay strong. And here they are after curls. Which one do you like the best? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, you all. Be bliss.